So today's video is going to be another last minute holiday makeup tutorial. I just really wanted to get this look in here and show you guys this like reddish eye look that I've been enjoying lately. So let's just hop right into it. Going right into the brows, I'm going to be filling them in just kind of roughly following my eyebrow shape. And I've been recently using this E.L.F. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and it is so good. The formula is really pigmented, and I love how it makes my eyebrows look, and plus it's only like $2, so you can't go wrong there. Using a small concealer brush along with some concealer, obviously I'm going to be cleaning up my brows just to make them look a lot neater, and also I'm going to be using that as a primer for my eyelids. And it looks like I'm being so rough with my eyelids, what the heck. Now for contouring, I'm going to be using the contour shade from the Wet n Wild MegaGlo contour palette. I've been really loving this a lot, and I think the shade fits my skin tone pretty nicely since it's a lot more warmer toned. And I'm also going to be contouring my non-existent nose bridge. You guys know the drill. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this beautiful highlighter, another Wet n Wild product. I swear to God, I'm not sponsored by them. I mean, if they want to sponsor me though, like, Wet n Wild, hit me up. Then I'm going to be setting my face using a facial spray from Hamish. Now back onto the brows, I'm just going to be using some Boy Brow from Glossier just to set them in place. I just love how it makes my brows look, and also it doesn't leave that like weird crunchy texture to your brows, if you guys know what I mean. Now onto eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this warm brown and just putting that into my crease. Surprisingly, this eyeshadow is from Target's beauty line and it is really good. One of my friends gave it to me for Christmas and I wanted to mention it in this video. I was pleasantly surprised how pigmented and easy to blend this was. I'm also going to be applying a little bit onto my lower lash line. From the ColourPop Bretman Rock Lip Palette, I'm going to be using the shade Macchiato and putting that into my crease just to deepen everything up a little bit more. And Bretman Rock is such an icon, literally love him, so of course I had to support his collection with ColourPop. I'd like you for Christmas. And then going in with a lighter brown shade, I just use that to blend in all the browns together. Now for the star of the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the shade Mercy. This is like a sparkly bright red and I just love how it looks. You guys know I already love glitter and red, so them together just is perfect. So I just applied that onto my lids using my finger, which I personally think is the best way to apply glitters, just so that they stick onto your lids a little bit better. And I also applied a little bit onto my lower lash line as well. Going back in with that Target eyeshadow, I'm going to be using that to blend in the colors once again. And with the same dark brown macchiato shade, I'm going to be placing that onto my lower lash line. Of course, since this is a glam look, I'm going to be doing some winged liner. For today, I decided to use the E.L.F. liquid liner, but using a brush tip is so strange because I haven't used one in such a long time. Now just curl your lashes and apply on some mascara. This one is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. A ton of people have raved about this on YouTube, so of course, being me, I just had to get it because I have an obsession. So I just applied it onto my top and bottom lashes. I love how voluminous this makes my eyelashes look. For lips, I'm going to be first using this warm brownie nude color and just tapping that onto my lips. Then I'm going in with a more mauve shade and putting that into the center, and of course my lips are crusty. So that is all for the look today. It's pretty simple, but a great one for like parties, or just if you want to look glam and cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you guys want to see more of my videos. So happy holidays, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.